Hi all, welcome back to Concept-Wise Learning Hub. In today's session, we will discuss an important topic from UGC NET Paper 1, Swayam Prabha and MOOCs. India has introduced several digital education initiatives to make quality education accessible to everyone. Among them, the three most important are Swayam Prabha, and MOOCs. Although all three promotes online education, they differ in their mode of delivery and purpose. Let's understand each one. Let's begin with SWAYAM. SWAYAM stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspirant Minds. It was launched in the year 2017 by the Ministry of Education, formerly known as MHRD. The main objectives of SWAYAM is to provide free, high quality online education to everyone and promote self-paced learning. SWAYAM offers courses in school education, undergraduate programs, postgraduate programs, professional courses, skill developed courses, and teachers' education. The courses are prepared by reputed institutions such as IITs, IIMs, UGC, IGNOU, NCERT, NIOS, NPTEL. This ensures the quality and credibility of the courses. So always remember Swayam is India's official national online learning platform. One of the favorite UGC NET question is the four-quadrant approach of Swayam. Every Swayam courses has four components. Quadrant 1 is video lecture by expert teachers. Students can watch these lectures anytime. Quadrant 2 is reading materials like PDF, e-books and study notes. These help learners to revise the concepts. Quadrant 3 is self-assessment. Students complete quizzes, assessments and tests to evaluate their learning. Quadrant 4 is discussion forum. Learners interact with teachers and other students to ask questions and clarify doubts. So joining a SWAYAM course is free. Students pay only nominal fee if they want to appear for the examination and obtain a certificate. Now let's understand Swayamprabha. Swayamprabha is not an online platform. It is a group of satellite-based educational television channel. Its main objective is to provide education to students living in rural and remote areas where internet connectivity is poor. These DTH channels broadcast educational programs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The content includes higher education, classes 9 to 12, teachers training, vocational education, competitive examination preparation. The lectures are available in multiple Indian languages. New lectures are telecast every day and repeat later so that the learner can watch them conveniently. So remember, Swayamprabha is through education through television. Now let's discuss MOOCs. MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Courses. Let's understand each word. Massive means there is no limit to the number of learners who can join. Open means there is no entry restrictions. And online means the course is delivered through digital platforms. And the course means it has structured content, assessment, and certification. Popular MOOC platforms include Swayam, Coursera, edX, and FutureLearn. MOOC support lifelong learning, professional development, and global education. So, whenever you see the keywords unlimited learners, open access, or online courses, the answer is MOOCs. Let's compare all three. Swayam. Swayam's mode of delivery is through online, and the main feature is India's national online learning platform offering free courses. Next is Swayam Prabha. Its mode of delivery is through television through DTH satellites. The main feature is it provides education without internet. And MOOCs. Its mode of delivery is through online methods, and the main feature is its open access courses available worldwide for unlimited learners. Let's revise. First one is SWAYAM. SWAYAM is India's official online education platform, started from 2017 by MOE, and it includes free courses, four-quadrant models, and nominal fee for protocol certification. Next is SWAYAM Prabha, DTH satellite TV channel broadcasting 24 into 7 educational contents, no internet required, multilingual, and serves rural and remote learners. MOOCs, massive open online courses for unlimited learners globally, hosted on SWAYAM courses, edX, and Future Learner promoting lifelong learning. I hope this session helped you to understand SWAYAM, Swayamprabha and MOOCs in a simple and exam-oriented manner. If you found this lecture useful, please like, share and subscribe to Concept-Wise Learning Hub, clear concept for smarter studies. If you have any doubt, post them in comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in next class.